welcome back to my channel. It's your girl latesha-kharizma. To all my new K-Squad members, welcome. Let's jump right into this review. So today we are reviewing the UNice Byebye Knots Wig 7x5 Glueless Lace Black Straight Bleach Knots Wig, and I'm going to link everything in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase her. This is also being sponsored by UNice, so shout out to y'all. But let's just go ahead and get to the stats, you guys. So this comes with one comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps that you guys can attach to the unit. It says, say goodbye to poorly designed unnatural wigs, pre-bleach, clean, and invisible wig knots. 7x5 upgrade, larger lace closure, promises versatile styling choices, pre-plucked hairline and pre-cut lace, beginner's favorite, 100% premium human hair, glueless and effortless wig, breathable wig cap for improving ventilation between scalp and air, and multiple clips and adjustable elastic bands for a secure fit. So first of all, I'm loving the packaging because my favorite color is purple, but I love me some pink too. And it came with so many goodies. Like, shout out to y'all, UNice. Oh my God, like all the stuff it came with. It came with like this cute little bag that you can keep your little wig in. This is going to be the strap that's adjustable that you can, put onto your unit. It also has a melt band here as well. And they gave me lashes and they gave me nails and a wig cap. So look, you can get more bang for your buck over there at UNice, girl. So anywho, let's go ahead and get into this. So you guys know I don't review human hair units too often because I am cheap and I don't like purchasing them because I ain't got no money, girl. But when I get presented an opportunity to do something with a human hair brand, I definitely jump on it, especially if the hair is to my liking. And I really do love this hair. You guys already know I love me a good straight black unit because it's minimal styling, right? So let me just go ahead and get into this, girl. So yeah, I was definitely here for the wig cap. It is big head girl friendly, and once again, it does come with those adjustable straps that I did mention, just in case if you do have a smaller size head like I do. But I didn't even have to use the straps. Like, it fit nice and snug on me. Also, I loved the lace on this. The lace it's very much pre-plucked. You can go in and pre-pluck again if you want to, but it is very much pre-plucked, you guys. And as far as the lace, it really just melted into my scalp. I was really surprised with that because I'm like, wait a minute, this is like really melting into my scalp. And I just love the fact that it is a glueless lace wig because you guys already know I do not like melting and all that good jazz. Like, no ma'am. So this is definitely glueless, and it's definitely like really nice as far as the lace is concerned. And the lace is only in the front where I did show you guys already, and it does come with a I believe this is a 6-inch deep lace part that I did go in with my matte concealer into. So this is a 24-inch unit, you guys. This is coming right probably down to my waist. So if you guys are not really into super long units, you can always choose another option. They have 14, 16, 18, 20, and the 22 inches. This is a 180% Byebye Knots unit. Now, as far as the 180% density, okay, the unit is very lightweight, but it's also very thin. Now, if you like, thinner units, cool. I do appreciate the thinner unit because since it's such a long wig, I really don't want it to be too heavy. And as far as filling tracks, I feel a couple of them at the nape, but not many. I also love that it does fit flat to the scalp as well. So I think the density is pretty good. The texture is definitely going to be more of a silkier texture, but it doesn't feel like wiggy, if you know what I mean. It does feel natural. So I'm loving that about the unit as well. Shading and tangling is going to be at a minimal because obviously, it's a longer unit. So you're definitely going to get shading and tangling, obviously not right out the package, but the more you wear this, you're definitely going to get shading and tangling, but right now it's very minimal. I also love the natural color on this, although it says that it's jet black. This one isn't really jet black. It looks like more of a number, like a 1B2, but that's cool as well. When I do wear longer units, just like with the middle part, I would rather it be a more natural color, especially for human hair units. If this would have been like super jet black, I probably would have looked like Morticia, ma'am. So I'm not I'm here for the natural color as well. You can definitely shift this from left to right. This is 7x5, so basically you get a lot of parting space, so you can do different styles with this unit as well. The unit is super soft. My fingers are going right through her. Oh my God, this is really soft. And I mean, I've heard things about UNice, ladies, okay? So I guess it's like hit or miss, but this one was a real good, this was a hit. I'm not mad at this one at all. This is super pretty. Now let's just go ahead and jump into the install. Once again, this is going to be the Byebye Knots unit. So obviously they are really pushing the fact that that with these Byebye knots, it's very much not clockable, and that's what we want, right? So I love the fact that it's pre-bleached and clean. It doesn't have a smell to it. And when I did install this, it was really, really easy. I just went ahead and cut that lace. I went ahead and, took the straps off. Like I said, I didn't really need to use the straps. And as far as melting her, I did go in with a little bit of even lace spray just at the front here where my part is. Kind of sprayed that down and melted it. And I was pretty much good. I went in with my wax stick just to lay her down a little bit, and went in again with my hot comb there, and then I went in with the flat iron and just kind of flat ironed this all the way around. And after that, I mean, I was good to go. Like I said, this is pretty much it. I'm not mad at this at all. It's like a really beautiful unit. I think it's going to be well worth the money. And like I said, you don't have to get this length. They do have 4 different lengths that you can get that's, that'll match your liking. So girl, let's get into the pros and cons, okay? So as far as the cons are concerned, I do think this should have been a little thicker in the back where the nape is, because it is a bit thin. But once again, being that it's a 24-inch unit, I'm okay with that because I didn't want it to be too heavy. So it being a bit thin is fine for me. As long as you don't see them tracks going throughout the unit, I'm good with that. So it was kind of a con for me, but not like a real big deal. Also, I think that the unit could have been a little bit smaller, even though it does come with your adjustable straps there that you can attach. I do think it should have been just a little bit tinier just for us peanut head girls. But like I said, it does fit me. But had I not went in with my even lace spray, it would have been a little loose there. So just keep that in mind as well. And as far as the pros, I love the natural color. I love that the knots are bleached. It really like the description is really what's going on with this wig. It's not misleading at all, and they get a lot of points with that with me, because I cannot stand reviewing units where you read one thing on the stock card and then the wig got some totally different ish going on. So everything in the description pretty much matched with this unit, so that's definitely going to be a pro for me as well. And I just love the way that it blended seamlessly into my skin. I think the Byebye knots really nailed it. So yeah, girl, this is really pretty. Like I said, I'm going to link everything in the description box below. Y'all run on over to UNice and pick one of these up. It's really going to be cute for the winter months, especially, the little holiday parties we going to. To me, this is definitely a throw on and go, which once again, I love because it is minimal styling. The more minimal I can get, the better. Hey guys, that's pretty much it for this review. If you enjoyed my content today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at latesha-kharizma76 for more beauty and hair related content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and blessed. Bye.